He's locked up pretty tight on that one.
Get him.
Who got him with the second shot? Okay.
Ready?
You go ahead and walk him up.
Right in front of him there.
It's all you, Caden.
Yep.
What are you doing? I grab it.
Kick it. Nah, kick it. It's getting ready to go. You better be ready.
Oh,
Good shot.
He almost caught that in there.
oh, he thought I shot his.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, the wind's coming from my back now.
I thought you was kicking a field goal with it there.
I was trying to, like, you know what? I was trying to get my foot up under and throw it up, and it eventually did. The second one. He said, I thought.
Well, this stuff is laying down now. If they decide to
Get up underneath of it. Yeah.
make some
All right.
stuff.
He's not entirely sure, is he? Oop.
I thought I was about to die. Go up there.
Get on up here, I'm recording.
Get that water bottle.
That's it. I got it.
You ready?
What's the receipt?
I kind of want to see him back there.
Just see yet. What to do right? No.
All right.
Oh, you're good. I'll be sitting back out of the
Did you
way.
shoot it?
Good shot.
Well, yeah, he's. Oh, you've got it on 4K, Papa?
Oh, what's that? The only thing, like I say, there's a house right there, and that's it. Other than that, you're good.
Papa got the camera on 4K.
I'm gonna throw it here a little bit. All right, that's why I'm getting around behind you. I want to kick that bird that direction.
I'm ready.
So you may want to come.
Hey, there's a chucker walking over here across the field.
Yep.
Shoot it, shoot it. Oh, gosh. All right, I'm going to go kill this chucker up here.
Wait a minute, well, let's talk. No, watch this. Watch this. Yes, go get the chuck. Remember, Rip? Grab her right here. Grab her right here. Grab her right here. Grab her right here. You get that on film?
Yeah.
Grab her.
Well, come here.
Grab her right here.
Put it down.
Boy.
That's my food.
Good boy.
Got it, guys. Oh, is that a quail? Come here, bring it. No, it's a chucker. Come here, buddy. Hey. Hey, come here. Good job, good job.
Oh, hey guys. Whoa.
It's when he's winded.
Whoa. Whoa. Good boy.
You either got two birds or you got,
And it could be, Jim.
it could be. Or else that other one's winded because you got the wind right in his face.
Okay, you want me to move over here?
No, just hold still, Caden. It may be where it hit. You may have walked up there where that other one is.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You may have two birds here.
Whoa.
Let me get it from you.
No,
Go ahead.
you gonna try to run this one up?
Yeah, I'm right here just off to your left.
There goes that bird, too far out. Watch where it goes. I'll watch. No. He's going after it, Mike.
I see the bird though.
I'm still watching it.
Boomerang.
All right, I see where it went down.
Where's his bird
Unless he was winding that one.
He's pretty sure of it.
I'll stick it.
There it is.
What is it?
Right here in front of you.
You want me
You
to pick it
ready?
up?
Yeah, get ready.
We both shot that one.
Caden with a double barrel side by side.
All you have to do is pull the trigger twice if you need to. You shouldn't need to. Now, you don't have to lead quite as much with this steel shot. Whoop. One more. Murphy. Murphy, right here. Whoop. 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 Whoop.
He's pretty sure of it.
I don't see anything.
This could be still set. Very good.
Actually, it's in here.
Kill it first.
Good shot.
Dang.
Whoa, good boy. That's good, isn't it? What he's supposed to do right there, guys. I'm gonna try to get a picture of this, maybe.
Hold on, Cade.
Whoa, well, you moved on me. Whoa,
Freak it out.
whoa, whoa.
He's got a good wind too.
Yeah, just get a picture. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. All right, buddy. Have at it.
Step back in case that bird flies right.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You got him.
He's down.
I winged it.
Yeah. I think I got.
Right there. Just running.
He's running. Sure, he'll catch it.
I don't want to get to that thicket.
He's got it. Come on, boy. I'll let you get there. Hey, that's a good video opportunity.
Yeah, I just want to catch
All right,
the.
you get up there, I'll get on this side.
Well, I'm gonna try to take pictures. You gotta be ready.
Well, okay, I've got the video going.
Okay. Whoa. All right, here we go. I bet you it's up. Whoa. There you are. Get that foot up. If I just get that tail, just steady him up a little bit. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, here it is.
I hope I got that on film.
Dang it. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Pheasant.
Kill that pheasant.
You winged it.
That stinking rooster pheasant. Now where did
He's
that go? He's going down. He'll catch him. I promise you. All the way, still flying.
Down there.
All
Okay.
the way there.
Dang it, man.
I'm going after that.
Right there. Camera fell, but we got him. Sorry, guys. I knew he was down in there. Who got your bird, Papa? That's a pretty rooster. Shoot, sorry you guys. Camera's a little crooked. A little blurry too. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notifications buttons so you never miss an upload. New videos coming soon. See y'all then.